Hey, boys and girls, today is lesson 24. We're on session 4. If you do it every day, today is Thursday, so happy Thursday. We're on page 555, so it's all fives. And today we're talking about how many quarters equal $1, how many dimes equal $1, and how many pennies equal $1. We're not doing nickels because that one is hard. It takes 20 nickels to equal $1. So just in case you're curious. But in the example, it says at the top, complete the example, then solve problems 1 through 4. Example, what is the value of these coins? So those coins are quarters, like here, and they are worth 25 cents, as the example shows you. 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents. 25 4 times is going to give you $1. So if you collect 4 quarters, you will in fact have $1, and it says $quarter. So think of it like if some of you guys like football, you have the first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, and the fourth quarter. When you cut something into 4 pieces, it's quarters. So it takes 4 of these to equal $1. The next example is dimes, and you'll see dimes 10 times. We learned yesterday it takes 10 dimes to equal 100, right? Just like our hundreds day, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or you could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Those are dimes. It takes 10 dimes to equal 100. You could also, it gives you a little bag, take 100 pennies because they're worth 1 cent each, and 100 pennies will give you 100 cents. Penny, penny, little and thin. I remember, sorry, wrong one. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember, you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, so I'm told. And we'll do the nickel, even though it's not in today's lesson. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, and I know that. So down below it says apply it. So you're going to use this example to help you. Oh, excuse me, you have to fill in that 100 pennies is worth $1 in the example. But use the example to help you solve these next problems. Number 1, what is the value of these coins? So it's wanting you to add up 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. Now, you won't learn this for a while, but when you stack these numbers, this is called stacking these numbers, you putting them on top of each other. Like when you're making a sandwich, you put them right on top of each other. I'm not going to take my bread and then put my meat over here, right? It'll be like hanging out and falling out. No. When you stack and make a sandwich, you stack and make a burger, you stack and make a meal, a grilled cheese, whatever it might be, you stack them right on top of each other. So if I take 25 and 25 and I stack them on top of each other, 5 plus 5 is 10. So my 0 can stay here, but my 1 goes back up here because I no longer have any ones, right? I have 0 ones. I turned them into a bundle of 10. So my bundle of 10 goes into the tens column. Now I have 2 plus 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 25 plus 25 is 50. Same goes over here. Now if I stack 50 and 50, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now I have 100, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So 4 quarters equals 100 cents. So down at the bottom, you're going to write 100. Now, number 2, what is the value of these coins? So fun. I love these. They're like puzzles. If you haven't guessed yet, Miss Lamb kind of likes puzzles. All right, I have 2 pennies, a dime, penny, and a dime, and a dime. I did not draw these correct to size because hopefully you know the dime is the smallest. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. But what they want us to do is they want us to put them in the greatest value first. So I'm going to start with my dimes because those have the greatest value. And I like to label them, but you don't have to. So 10. Another set of 10 is 20. The next one is 30. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 31, 32. I have 32 cents. There you go. Number 3, what is the value of these coins? Oh my goodness, boys and girls, let's count those dimes together. Ready? We're going to count by tens because dimes are worth 10 cents. Cross them out if you need to as you go. So you're going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There are 10 tens, which means you have 100 cents. Number 4, how many pennies are in a dollar? Do you remember? 1 cent, and you have 100 cents in a dollar. You're going to have 100 pennies in a dollar. So on number 4, you're going to write in 100. Please turn the page when you are ready. If I'm going too fast, pause, rewind. I just feel like I'm on a roll with this, and I don't want to go too fast for you. Number 1 on page 557, what is the value of these coins? So you're going to do what we've been doing, which is counting starting greatest to smallest. You count on using the biggest number first. So it gives you dime, 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 penny, penny. So you're going to say 10, 20, 30, because each one of these are worth 10 cents, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 32 cents. Now the bottom one has pennies, so you're going to count by ones. You're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the value of these coins is 5 cents. Nice. The next one, number 3, says circle each coin that has a value of 10 cents. Gosh, the book must think you are struggling with a dime and what a dime is. So you have 2 dimes in there. One looks like this, and the other one has that torch on the back. So there are 2 dimes in on number 3, and you're going to circle 2 dimes. Now, number 4, what is the value of these coins? Well, let's count, and we're going to count by tens because these are dimes, and a dime is worth, you guessed it, 10 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if I have 100 cents, that means I have 1 whole dollar. So you're going to put in a 1 on number 5. Ooh, oh, okay, I'm sorry. And you're going to put in 1 on number 4. We're going to number 5, which looks super fun. It has more money than we've ever seen in our problem so far. So we have penny, dime, dime, dime. Okay, so we're going to start with the biggest numbers first, which are our dimes. And if you wanted to, in your book, you could write 10 and 10 under each one. You don't have to. I would suggest as you get it done, though, that you cross out the ones that you've completed. That way you don't count them twice or you don't miss anything. You want to be very certain that you get everything and don't make any simple mistakes. So I'm going to start with 10. Cross it out. 20. Here's the next one. 30. Cross it out. I should have 3 crossed out because I have 10, 20, 30. Oh, there's another one. Cross it out. 40. There's another one. 50. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. Yep. Now I'm going to switch to counting on by ones because I have pennies left and I know pennies are worth 1 cent. So I have 51. Start way out there. 52. That's that one. 53. There's that guy. And then I have one more. 54. So I have 54 cents. The value of these coins is 54 cents. This is awesome. I hope you're really enjoying this. It's just kind of giving you a little taste of coins and money and how much they're worth. And tomorrow is your last day of money. So good job.